term deepfake is a portmanteau of terms deep learning and fake. It refers to the images or videos that have been digitally manipulated to replace likeness of one person with another, in a convincing manner. Even if photo manipulation techniques have been around for almost as long as the photography itself, the first push came with the advent of digital cameras, and the current breakthrough came with the development of efficient deep learning approaches. Today, deepfakes use technologies such as generative adversarial networks. On one hand, deepfakes can be used in the entertainment industry. A good example is de-aging of movie actors if a scenario requires them to appear in different time periods. A notable example is the 2019 movie The Irishman, where Robert De Niro, Al Pacino and Joe Pesci, who were all over 75 at the time of filming, appear like they were in their 40s. On the other hand, this technology can be used for harmful purposes. Some of these include sexual abuse, revenge porn, fake news, bullying, hoaxes and financial fraud. A well-known example of what deepfake can do was the video of the former US President Barack Obama made by actor Jordan Peele. Peele's voice impersonation combined with deepfake technology made it appear that Obama was making shocking statements. The video was made to raise awareness about the potential dangers of deepfakes. The common technique used in deepfake are the generative adversarial networks, or GANs. Let's see how they work. A GAN is a system that contains two neural networks, the generator and the discriminator. They are set against each other in a kind of competition, therefore the term adversarial. The generator's job is to create fake images or videos that look as realistically as possible. It starts by generating a random image which initially doesn't resemble the intended output and improves upon it iteratively. The discriminator's job is to distinguish between the real images or videos and the fake ones produced by the generator. It is trained with real images so that it knows what a real image should look like. The feedback loop is what makes GAN work. The discriminator evaluates the fakes produced by the generator and gives feedback. If the generator's output is not good enough, meaning the discriminator can tell it's a fake, it will adjust and try again. This process repeats many times, with the generator constantly improving until the discriminator can no longer distinguish the fake images from the real ones. In the context of deepfakes, the GAN is trained on a large dataset of video footage. For example, if you want to create a deepfake of a person, you would need many videos of their face from different angles and in different lighting conditions. The more data the network has to learn from, the more realistic the output will be. Once the deepfake model is trained, it can take the person's face and swap it onto another person's body in a different video
with remarkable accuracy.
Hey, did you just deepfake me? Recognizing deepfakes can be challenging, especially as the technology becomes more advanced. Nevertheless, some of the things that may hint that a photo or a video is a deepfake are the imperfect visuals, audio syncing, contextual anomalies, and digital artifacts. While deepfake technologies has improved dramatically in the last couple of years, it can still produce visual errors. Look for strange blinking, poor lighting, or issues with the face or hair. This can sometimes manifest as fuzziness or blurring, discolorations or distortions that don't align with the rest of the video. The audio in deepfake videos can sometimes be slightly out of sync with the movement of the mouth. This could be a telltale sign that the video has been manipulated. Regarding contextual anomalies, this can relate to the person's gestures, expressions, or speech patterns that are off. Does the person in the video seem to be behaving out of character, or something just feels weird? There are dedicated tools that specialized companies are using to analyze the video material to check for digital manipulations. They can detect manipulation that is invisible to human eye. It is also important to take into account the source of the video, as misinformation, including deepfakes, often spreads through less reputable channels. Deepfake technology poses several ethical and societal concerns. One of the most prominent concerns is the use of deepfakes to spread disinformation or fake news. By creating realistic, yet entirely false video or audio content, bad actors can manipulate public opinion, sow discord, or potentially influence political events. For example, deepfakes could be used to fabricate a scandal involving a political figure or making it seem as though a world leader made statements that they actually did not make, causing confusion and potentially enticing conflict. Deepfakes also raise serious privacy concerns. The technology requires a substantial amount of personal data, such as images or videos, to create a convincing fake. These videos are often scrapped from the internet without the individual's consent. Furthermore, deepfakes can create situations that never happened, violating the individual's right to control their own image and potentially causing significant emotional damage. In the wrong hands, deepfakes could be used for identity theft and fraud. For instance, deepfake technology can be used to mimic a person's voice or likeness to trick biometric security systems. One of the most harmful uses of deepfakes has been the creation of non-consensual explicit content, where an individual face is digitally superimposed onto explicit material. It is often used to create celebrity or other pornographic videos. It has been estimated that more than 90% of deepfake videos are created for pornography. The current legal and regulatory frameworks in many countries are not equipped to handle the challenges posed by deepfakes. It is often difficult to hold creators of such deepfakes accountable, especially when they originate from jurisdictions with weak or non-existent digital rights laws. At the end of the unit, you will find several questions to test your knowledge. Here is one of the questions. What type of AI does deepfake technology primarily use? Is it deep learning, reinforcement learning, supervised learning, or unsupervised learning? Which one is it?